Guten Tag, German learners! Today's video is the first of a series to come, where we're going to work through the 800 most common German words and how to use them. You'll find a link to the blog post below in the description. There, I have a list of all the words, audio recordings, and flashcards to help you memorize the words we're going to go through. You can print out these flashcards for free and start using them to practice your German every day. In today's conversation practice, we're going to work on memorizing some of the most common regular German verbs. And I'm going to conjugate the verbs of these examples in present tense. We're going to use a variety of different personal pronouns, so let's get started. Antworten, to reply. Ich antworte sofort. I reply immediately. Arrangieren, to arrange. Du arrangierst die Möbel. You arrange the furniture. Bauen, to build. Baut einen Turm. He builds a tower. Bedeuten, to mean. Es bedeutet nichts. It means nothing. Begeistern, to excite. Wir begeistern das Publikum. We excite the audience. Begünstigen, to favor. Wir begünstigen diesen Vorschlag. We favor this proposal. Beobachten, to observe. Ihr beobachtet den Vogel. You watch the bird. Berühren, to touch. Sie berühren den Stein. They touch the stone. Besiedeln, to populate. Wir besiedeln die Stadt. We populate the city. Bestellen, to order. Ich bestelle ein Buch. I order a book. Bestimmen, to determine. Du bestimmst die Regeln. You determine the rules. Betrachten, to consider. Ich betrachte die Bewerbung. I consider the application. Buchstabieren, to spell. Sie buchstabiert ihren Namen. She spells her name. Danken, to thank. Wir danken euch. We thank you all. Dienen, to serve. Wir dienen den Menschen. We serve the people. Diskutieren, to discuss. Ihr diskutiert den Plan. You discuss the plan. Entwickeln, to develop. Sie entwickeln die Technologie. They, or you formal, develop the technology. Erfordern, to require. Es erfordert viel Arbeit. It requires a lot of work. Erleichtern, to ease. Ihr erleichtert die Arbeit. You ease the work. Erreichen, to achieve or reach. Du erreichst den Gipfel. You reach the summit. Erwarten, to expect. Ich erwarte einen Anruf. I expect a call. Folgen, to follow. Ich folge dem Weg. I follow the path. Glauben, to believe. Du glaubst an das Gute. You believe in the good. Hinzufügen, to add, to paste. Wir fügen eine Zeile hinzu. We add a line. Kaufen, to buy. Kauft eine Zeitung. He buys a newspaper. Kleiden, to clothe. Sie kleidet sich schick. She dresses stylishly. Kühlen, to cool. Ihr kühlt das Bier. You all cool the beer. Leben, to live. Ihr lebt gesund. You all live healthy. Lehren, to teach. Ich lehre Deutsch. I teach German. Lernen, to learn. Wir lernen zusammen. We learn together. Lokalisieren, to locate. Du lokalisierst den Fehler. You locate the error. Lösen, to solve. Löst die Aufgabe. He solves the task. That was all 32 of our example sentences for today. And you did great, German learners. Remember to review these verbs as often as you can to memorize them. I'm sure you'll like one of these videos next as well, if you haven't already seen them. Remember to check out the website to review audio recordings, read through the list, and print out your free flashcards. Bis bald zusammen. Auf Wiedersehen.